What if I told you that right now, artificial intelligence is being used to decide who's a threat and who isn't? Not by a judge, not by a jury, but by a machine. Imagine walking down the street. You haven't committed a crime. You're just living your life. But the second a police officer's body camera captures your face, AI pulls up your past, your criminal history, past arrests, or maybe even a mistaken identity. Now, the officer doesn't just see you. They see a digital version of you, labeled by AI. It sounds like something out of the movie Minority Report, right? Well, it is, and it's happening right now in real life. I'm attorney Adam Rossen with the Rossen Law Firm, and in today's video, we're breaking down what you need to know about AI and policing. Axon, the company behind the body cameras used by thousands of police officers, has integrated artificial intelligence into its technology. This AI can do real-time facial recognition, identify individuals in video, and here's the most concerning part, automatically pull up their criminal history. So think about that. The moment an officer looks at somebody through their camera, they're not just seeing a person, they're seeing a computer-generated profile, instantly feeding them information that can change how they interact with that person. Now, the dangers here are massive. We can have guilt by algorithm. AI doesn't understand context. If someone was arrested but never convicted, AI doesn't care. It'll flag them anyway. If charges were dismissed, well, AI is still going to register it. So imagine this. A person stopped by police. The officer's body camera identifies them and instantly pulls their record. The officer knows that 5 years ago, this person was arrested, maybe for something they never even did. Well, how does that change how the officer reacts? How tense could the situation become as a result? Next, we'll have bias with AI. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. And guess what? Our criminal justice system has a long history of racial bias and inaccurate data. Studies have already shown that facial recognition technology is far less accurate for people of color. It misidentifies Black and Latino individuals more often than white individuals. And that means mistakes will happen, and they won't happen equally. Certain communities will feel the impact far more than others. So what happens when AI makes a mistake? If an AI system flags someone incorrectly, who takes responsibility? Is it the police officer, the software company, or the government? We've seen cases where facial recognition led to wrongful arrest. People jailed for crimes that they never committed just because an algorithm got it wrong. Now imagine that mistake happening in real time during an interaction with the police. The AI says, "This person's dangerous," and the officer believes it. Well, what's going to happen next? AI is changing law enforcement, but who's making sure that it's fair? Who's setting the rules? Who's ensuring that this technology doesn't lead to more wrongful arrests, more racial profiling, or more abuses of power? Technology moves fast, but the law moves slow. And if we don't start asking the tough questions now, we might not ever be able to stop the damage before it's too late. AI in policing is not perfect. And if you or someone you love ends up being misidentified, falsely accused, or unfairly targeted, you need to protect yourself. Don't take chances with your future. If you're facing criminal charges or feel that AI-driven policing has wrongfully impacted you, call us at 754-206-6200. We fight for justice and we fight for you. Subscribe for more insights on how technology is shaping criminal defense and your rights. I'm attorney Adam Rossen. Let us know what questions you have below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay informed and stay protected.